If you need to relaunch Chrome, whether it's because an update is waiting or you just want to restart the browser the simple way, I'm going to walk you through both methods step by step. This is a quick and easy fix that can help Chrome run better, apply updates properly, and get rid of minor glitches. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos just like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's look at the update method. Open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the top right corner of the browser. You'll see the three dots menu icon. Click on those three dots to open the main Chrome menu. From there, hover your mouse over Help. A side menu will appear, and in that menu, click About Google Chrome. When you open the About Google Chrome page, Chrome will automatically start checking for updates. If your browser is already up to date, it will tell you right away. But if an update is available, Chrome will download and install it automatically. You do not need to do anything extra at this stage, so just let it finish. Once the update is complete, you will see a Relaunch button appear. This is the key step. Click Relaunch, and Chrome will close and reopen itself with the latest update applied. That's the official and recommended way to relaunch Chrome after an update, and it usually only takes a few seconds. Now let's go over the simple manual relaunch method. If you just want to restart Chrome without checking for updates, you can do that too. Click the X in the top right corner to close the Chrome window completely. Then wait a second or two and open Chrome again from your desktop, taskbar, or Start menu. This will relaunch the browser in a fresh session. If Chrome is frozen or acting slow, closing and reopening it can often fix small issues. And if you have multiple Chrome windows open, make sure you close all of them before opening Chrome again so the browser restarts properly. So to recap, if you want Chrome to relaunch after an update, go to the three dots, click Help, open About Google Chrome, let it update, and then click Relaunch. If you just want a basic restart, close Chrome and open it again. Both methods are simple, and now you know exactly how to do each one. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.